दोस्तों आज के इस एक्सक्लूसिव चैट सेशन में हम बात करने वाले हैं एक्ट्रेस संगीता घोष से, जो फिलहाल एक नए एंटरटेनमेंट चैनल सन नियो टीवी के शो साझा सिंदूर में नजर आ रही हैं। तो चलिए उनसे करते हैं इस शो से जुड़ी कुछ खास बातचीत।
So congrats, Sangeeta ji, on one more show and this time on a new channel.
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
तो कैसा मजा आ रहा है?
अभी शूटिंग शुरू की है हमने, जस्ट वी हैवंट
Okay.
शॉट टू मच
Okay.
एक्चुअली,
Hmm.
बट आई हैव शॉट फॉर 6-7 days, so the role is quite it's challenging for me
Okay.
since it is an antagonist
Hmm.
and it's a bit of rural based show.
Okay,
हालांकि
okay.
डायलेक्ट वगैरह अलग नहीं है,
Okay.
लेकिन you know थोड़ा trying to make it a bit different than whatever I have done before. Luckily the roles that are offered to me are always something different from my previous one. So
Okay. Hmm.
yeah, it's good fun as of
तो
now because it's been written well.
जी तो मीन्स एक शो एंड कैरेक्टर का वन लाइन क्या होगा?
Saroj is an opportunist,
Okay.
firstly,
Okay.
and secondly, she feels that she has been wronged in life
Okay.
right from her childhood. That is the
Okay.
backstory, that she
Okay.
has been wronged in life and she wants to do right,
Okay.
matlab for herself.
Okay. Hmm.
So whoever is with her is her friend. Whoever does
Against
not solve her purpose
against
is
दुश्मन है उसका.
yeah,
Yeah.
as clear as that. But on the surface, she comes across as very very nice, soft spoken,
Hmm.
very caring,
Hmm.
very loving,
Hmm.
and I mean she's the best woman in the world. It comes
Okay.
across like that on the surface.
Okay.
But inside she harbors a lot of these complexes inside her.
Hmm.
So it's quite interesting. It's in fact two personalities in one personality.
ओके या एंड नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर खेलने में कितना मजा आता है एज एन एक्टर?
अब बहुत मजा आता है नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर में। मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि पॉजिटिव में नहीं आता है मुझे, पॉजिटिव में भी बहुत मजा आता है मुझे,
हाँ.
पर नेगेटिव में भी मजा आता है। आई एम ऑलवेज स्केर्ड टू डू अ नेगेटिव रोल क्योंकि पता नहीं कैसे परसीव होगा, क्या होगा।
ओके.
बट क्योंकि नेगेटिव में ना थोड़ा यू हैव टू फाइंड योर ओन लॉजिक्स
एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट.
कि क्यों आप ऐसे कर रहे हो, क्या रीजन है, एंड यू हैव टू then come across as real also because
Absolutely.
a negative character can go to any length,
करेक्ट है.
जो रियल लाइफ में होता है। मतलब रियल लाइफ में तो ऐसी चीजें होती है जो आप कभी सुनते भी नहीं हो।
एग्जैक्टली.
और लेकिन it does not happen very often.
एग्जैक्टली.
So when it comes across ना the writing and the language and everything, तो अपने आप को खुद को लॉजिक बनाना पड़ता है कि दिस इज व्हाई द कैरेक्टर इज बिहेविंग लाइक दिस मस्ट बी द थॉट प्रोसेस, और शायद लैंग्वेज ही ऐसी होगी इसकी। तो हाँ, it is hard work, let me tell you. To do a negative character impressively also is hard work. It's not an easy job.
या एंड जो आपने पहले नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर्स किए थे तो उसमें शुड यू गेट ऑल द पब्लिक एंगर जो नॉर्मली आती है?
नहीं, I haven't dealt with it. Luckily, I haven't.
ओके.
I haven't because they have always loved me. My fans, my audiences, they try to find a reason like why my character is behaving in such a way, and they आपस में talk to each other. हाँ, पर उसके साथ तो ये हुआ है, तो ठीक है ना, she will get back like this, ये वो। तो it's quite amazing how they actually find reasons for me to behave that way. But no, I haven't been trolled for it, and trolling does not matter also, to be very honest.
Okay.
I'm not doing a show. I'm doing the show to keep the trollers happy. I'm doing this for myself. I'm doing this for my family.
Okay.
For my life. Yeah, for my growth as an actor, not for the trollers. So it does not matter.
See, but since this is a new show, थोड़ा डर है कि you'll get the audience.
I know. डर तो see क्या है ना अनिल, it is not up to us.
जी.
इतना हम सोच नहीं सकते, to be very honest.
Okay.
I'm sure the channel will do their bit to promote the channel since.
Correct. Yeah.
And Sun TV is a huge brand. ऐसा नहीं कि एकदम नया channel है. They are coming with their Hindi. It's a sister channel of Sun TV.
Exactly. Correct.
So they are coming with the Hindi version.
Exactly.
Which is, I think it's already so popular. It is already, it is a brand in itself, one of the biggest channels. So I think they know how to, get the eyeballs, get the audiences, I'm sure.
Yeah. And one thing is कि now, so
It
where
might
would
take time, Anil. It might take time,
okay.
but I'm sure every new channel takes a bit of time to
Find its feet, correct.
to make a mark. But वो हो जाता है, I think. I feel good that they have chosen us, this production house, and they have chosen me to play one of the main roles, and so it's a responsibility as well. I feel nice about it. Yeah, they have put the trust in us, which is a good feeling.
Yeah, and how is the experience of working with all your co-stars?
It's been good. Actually, अभी ना मेरी ज़्यादा, as I said, I have not shot for a very long time. I have,
Okay.
but हाँ, it's been good. मैं एक्चुअली मेरा बहुत ध्यान है ना स्क्रिप्ट में रहता है.
Okay.
तो वो
Right.
बैठ के मेरा थोड़ा it's not that I am aloof or something like that.
Okay.
But once I reach the sets ना, so I'm mostly immersed in क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है. So I'm
Okay.
sure once we start shooting more regularly, we'll make certain bondings and all. But the younger lot, I must say, I'm quite impressed with them in the sense that they come prepared, they remember their lines, which is a great relief, to be very honest.
Exactly. Yeah, I know.
They know their lines, and हाँ थोड़ा बहुत तो हमको भी सीखना पड़ता है, तो वो भी
Exactly.
सीख ही रहे.
Exactly.
So it's nice, हम सब मिल के करते हैं, so it is pleasant. No one has any, animosity against each other, which is a great relief.
Okay.
Everyone is good to each other as of now, so it's good.
Uh, See, and one, you seem to be more satisfied with television. You are not making a beeline to web.
हाँ, I'm see, it's not that. अरे अनिल यार, मौका भी तो मिलना चाहिए ना, to be very honest.
Exactly, correct.
हर जगह ना set is. People are set for. I would love to do something because मुझे लगता है कि मुझसे अच्छा तो कोई है ही नहीं. ऐसा
Okay.
कुछ नहीं है जो मैं नहीं कर सकती. To be very
Correct.
honest.
Okay.
And I mean, you can quote me for it. I don't
Okay.
mind.
Okay.
I feel that I am the best. You give me anything, I can do anything. Any kind of a role, any kind of character. Because I don't have any. What should I say? I'm a very free person. Judge characters. I don't think कि अरे ये करूंगी तो कैसे लगेगा, वो करूंगी तो कैसे लगेगा. It's a challenge whether a new character, new role will suit me or not. And so I would really want to get into web shows onto the OTT platform. But offers भी तो मिलने चाहिए यार. I'm ready to go for auditions also. I don't mind. But they need to be really good, meaty roles. They can't be just one episode का एक 4 scene का role and all that. Sorry. I also have an ego.
Correct.
And I like to feed my ego.
Character दम होना चाहिए.
दम नहीं है तो करके मतलब ही क्या है.
Exactly.
तो
Correct.
रिग्रेट नहीं होना चाहिए लाइफ में अनिल. इतने साल काम करने के बाद और इतने अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम करने के बाद और इतना कुछ सीखने के बाद अनफॉर्चुनेटली आजकल ना वो एक्टर्स को टेलीविजन एक्टर्स, OTT है, वेब एक्टर्स, फिल्म एक्टर्स, अलग अलग कैटेगरी में डाल देते हैं.
Exactly.
एक्टर्स आर एक्टर्स. वी कैन चेंज आवर माइंडसेट ऐसे चुटकी में.
Correct.
टेलीविजन एक्टर्स जो है दे हैव catapulted onto other mediums. People have been working on television and they have done great job. Look at Hira Mandi. All the actors who have been on television, they all are shining in that show.
Exactly.
So television actors shine everywhere, whether it is films, whether it is web shows, whether ad films है, whether documentary है, whether short films है. I think actor is an actor यार, उसको पता होता है. And then you have a director ना, director को भी तो भरोसा होना चाहिए, writer को भी तो भरोसा होना चाहिए कि
Exactly.
हम जो लिख के दे रहे हैं और under our direction they will do well.
See, and one more thing is, do you think now television is changing and women of your age are getting deeper roles and stronger roles जो पहले नहीं मिलते थे?
See, I have no complaints. I should not be complaining.
Okay.
My career is spread over 30 years, more than 30 years.
Correct.
Anil.
Correct.
and I have always been offered
Hmm.
work, interesting roles,
Hmm.
good roles.
Hmm.
I have been offered protagonist and
Hmm.
antagonist. These are
Hmm.
the central characters in
Hmm.
any show.
Correct.
So I have no complaints.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
all the roles have been
Hmm.
great,
Hmm.
whatever has been offered. I'm not saying whatever has been offered I have taken up,
Hmm. Hmm.
but I've chosen. I had the privilege of
Hmm.
choosing the makers,
Hmm.
choosing the channel, choosing
Hmm.
the role.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
I have no complaints.
Okay.
But हाँ अभी जैसे जैसे I think change हो रहा है, mindset भी change हो रहा है.
Hmm.
People
Hmm.
are writing roles for,
Hmm.
it is just not about 20-year-old की कहानी.
Correct.
It is about 30-year-olds also,
Hmm.
40-year-olds also,
Exactly.
50-year-olds also.
Exactly.
So which is good. I mean, I want to be like Meryl Streep, yeah. I
Hmm.
want to be like Olivia Colman. I want to be like that,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Uh,
Hmm.
and why not?
Hmm.
I mean,
Hmm.
you dream big. You don't
Hmm.
dream small.
Hmm.
So that is the standard. That
Hmm.
is, how the roles are written for them. How it
Correct.
is,
Hmm.
एंड क्या हमारे हिंदुस्तान में इस उम्र की औरतों की कहानी नहीं होती? क्या होती है ना?
Obvious.
अनुपमा इज डूइंग वेल ना, पुष्पा
Correct.
इम्पॉसिबल इज डूइंग वेल ना, स्वरंधर
Absolutely.
डिड वेल ना.
Correct.
सो
Right.
इट वाज all about you have to believe in your story
Hmm.
and you have to say a story and your
Hmm.
characters should connect to the audience. It
Hmm.
is about connection.
Hmm.
You don't go haywire in the name of doing something different.
Hmm. Hmm.
You should find the connection.
Hmm.
You
Hmm.
should feel कि हाँ ये तो हमारी कहानी हो सकती है, या
Hmm.
हमारे पड़ोस में जो ऐसे कुछ हुआ था.
Hmm.
Not
Hmm.
everyone is going to relate to it, but there are certain
Exactly.
emotions that everyone relates to.
Exactly. Hmm.
So I think, I mean, it is just not about romance
Hmm.
और घर का कलेश.
Hmm.
There can be much more,
Hmm.
and people are thinking and writing. ऐसा
Hmm.
नहीं है कि नहीं. I mean, OTT और web में तो आप देखते ही हो. I'm
Correct.
hoping कि, see, I can only hope.
Correct.
I'm not a writer. I'm an
Exactly.
actor. I wish I was a writer, I would have written. Or I'm not a
Exactly.
maker, or I'm not a director. I don't even have that much of money to, go ahead
Yeah.
and do it,
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
honestly. But I'm an actor. I can only hope that, things will be offered to me and I will grab the opportunity. I'll give my best, which every actor thinks of.
Yeah. And what do you think the reason is कि आप टिकी रही हैं doing consistent good work?
Thank you, Anil. It feels so good to hear this. I don't know. Maybe I get very excited with my roles.
Okay.
When when a role is offered to me, na,
Mhm.
if I like one small germ also, na, it starts building in my mind. I get very excited. So that excitement, I think, translates in, in the scenes and in the way I perform or whatever, whatever I can do or little I can do in the constrained time. So I think, I don't know what to say. As I said, also I've been very fortunate. I think also, because I don't work continuously, I take breaks in between. That
Correct.
also could be a reason, because
Correct.
I like to, just take a break after whenever the show gets over. I like to take a break and, come back so that I'm completely out of it and people also get a break from me. मुझे ऐसे ही लगता है कि यार एक ही एक्टर को देख देख के तो तंग आ जाते होंगे टेलीविजन पे. नॉट अ मूवी, टेलीविजन पे आप एक ही एक्टर को महीनों तक रोज देखते हो. पहले तो सालों तक देखते थे, अभी तो महीनों तक हो गया है. But it must be getting boring, na, to see the same actor again and again and again and again. So you need to come back with a fresher look, fresher character, a new character. So for that you need to give yourself also a break, change your mindset again.
See, पर एक बात अच्छी है कि आप में you have self confidence to बनना. And most actors are scared of out of sight is out of mind.
Yeah, I know. And lots of people have told me, but Sangeeta, you're not scared, out of sight, out of mind. I said, just see, I've been constantly getting work, so I don't think I'm out of mind. Because they tell me, Kari, you're not on social media also, you're not active. I said, maybe that helps in my case.
Yeah, possibly, correct. हो सकता है.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how is your personal life going? How's the hubby?
He's fine. The daughter is doing well. I miss My daughter,
Mm-hmm.
like, I really, really miss her because she is in Jaipur right now and I am shooting in Mumbai.
Uh-huh.
But she's going to come to me next month. So I'm so looking forward.
Yeah, and I think having, you can say, a kind of balanced, happy family life also makes you more comfortable on set, I guess, right?
Yeah, it does. I agree. If your family life is stable now,
Correct.
it does. It
Hmm.
does. Of course it does.
Hmm.
And for a woman especially,
Hmm.
it does. See, Anil, I'm very happy when I'm working.
Okay.
Extremely happy. That's
Hmm.
my happiest place.
Hmm. Hmm.
The set, the chaos,
Hmm.
the makeup, the
Hmm.
deadlines,
Hmm. Hmm.
it is my happy space.
Hmm.
Trust me. I
Hmm.
don't get bothered by it.
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
really enjoy all
Hmm.
that.
Okay.
तो मुझे कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है that I lead two lives. I'm very different when I'm in Jaipur. It's a very, relaxed, slow paced, and my concentration is only my daughter and the house. And I don't even like to socialize too much.
Okay.
वहां भी जाके ना, हालांकि वहां तो the social life is much more hectic than Mumbai. Trust me.
Okay.
There is a party happening every day. There are,
Okay.
people are meeting each other every day. If you're not going, they come to your house and, so every day ka thing hai. But Bombay is different, huh? I miss them, yeah. I miss my daughter terribly, actually.
Okay.
But there's no guilt.
Okay.
There's no guilt. I'll underline this. There is no guilt. This is something I'm doing for myself. She's being looked after, yeah. Had she been not looked after properly, then I would have felt, guilty. But she's being looked after. She's happy. She's healthy. Every time I'm on a video call with her, she has so many stories to tell and she's laughing and happy. So I'm very, very happy that she's happy. So there's no guilt.
Absolutely. Cool hai. Ji, thank you very much and wish
Thank you,
you
Anil.
all the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Anil.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Chalo, bye.